Muhammad wa ajil faraj. Fasting and its benefits. Fasting is an act of worship prescribed by Allah. To fast means to stay away from food and drinks, as well as wrong deeds. The fast is like a living thing. It has a body and a soul. To stay away from food and drinks is the body of the fast. To stay away from wrong deeds is its soul. If we are not trying hard to be better Muslims by fasting, our fast will be a body without a soul. Imam Jafar as-Sadiq alayhi salam said, your fast days should not be like other ordinary days. When you fast, all your senses, eyes, ears, tongue, hand, and feet must fast with you. Here is how. Eyes. Keep your eyes off unlawful things and use this special gift of God for good acts such as reading the Quran and du'as. Ears. Keep away from hearing unlawful gossips, lies, and music. Tongue. Do not tell lies or useless stories. Do not spread rumors or gossips about other persons. And use the powers of speech in spreading the word of Allah. Hands. Do not hurt others by your actions. Instead, try to help them as far as you can. Feet. Do not try to go toward forbidden places. Rather, go toward the places where Allah is remembered. Above all, your hearts and mind should be with you in fasting, because the fast in its real sense will not be complete unless your thoughts, your emotions, your actions, and all aspects of your life become pure, free from impurity. Fasting takes place from dawn before sunrise to dusk after sunrise. Generally, fasting is a mustahab act of worship. It is especially mustahab during the months of Rajab and Sha'ban. But during the month of Ramadan, fasting becomes wajib. It is in this month that Muslims all over the world keep their fasts. Benefits of fasting. There are many benefits of fasting. In this lesson, we will look at 7 of them. Fasting brings us closer to Allah. When we sacrifice our food and drink, we will obviously find ourselves in hardship. And when we go through hardship for the sake of Allah, it will naturally bring us closer to Allah. As a result, when we break our fast, Allah will be very pleased with us, and our du'as at that time will be accepted. Fasting teaches us patience. We all need food and water to survive. To deny ourselves food and water requires a lot of strength and patience. So when we fast for a whole month of Ramadan, we build up a lot of patience. As a result, the next time we forget our lunch boxes at home, it won't matter, because not only we have patience, but we will also be used to not eating during lunch times. Fasting helps us to know how it feels to be poor. There are many poor people in the world today who are suffering from hunger because they do not have enough money to buy food. By fasting ourselves, we will know how hard it is for these poor people. At least we can break our fast with a nicer dinner. They cannot. As a result, fasting encourages us to help others who are less fortunate than us. Fasting brings about thankfulness to Allah. Many times we forget about all the blessings Allah has given us. We take everything for granted. For example, in a normal day, we go through our breakfast, lunch, and dinner without a thought of where it came from. But by fasting, we will learn the value of things as simple as a glass of water. This helps us to be thankful for the favors of Allah. Fifth, fasting brings about self-control. We already mentioned how fasting will bring about patience to hunger. For example, if we are fasting, we will not give it to our desire to eat, no matter how hungry we are. But fasting will also bring about self-control in other things. For example, the next time we feel angry at someone, we will be able to control ourselves. So the next time we feel angry at someone, we will be able to control ourselves and act in a positive way. This self-control will help us stay away from other disliked deeds as well. 6. Fasting breaks our pride. No matter how much wealth we have or how high our position is in life, every Muslim has to fast in the month of Ramadan. In this way, we are similar to all Muslims around the world. We also have depend on Allah to provide for us all well. Fasting is good for health. Let us think of our stomachs as a machine that works non-stop. We have 3 meals each day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and in between we have some snacks. Now, if we fast, then at least our stomachs will get some rest. Fasting is also good because it gets rid of bad habits such as smoking. If practiced properly, fasting can lead to better health. Let us pray to Allah to bless us all during the holy month of Ramadan. May He accept our fasts, our prayer, and our good deeds. May He forgive us for our wrongdoings and guide us in our lives. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وأجل فرجهم.
دعاء إمام الزمانة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم إني وليك الحجة بن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى اللهم كن وليك الحجة بن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكن تقوى زكاة وتمتيه فيها طويلا. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد وعجل فرجهم.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.